Hello dear friends, welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today I am going to draw a very easy Happy Diwali drawing with Diwali word. So at first we will write Diwali on the blank paper in this way. It is going to be a very easy drawing, just follow the process. Now we will draw a boy holding a sky lantern by the letter D. Can we draw the lantern from this eye? Yes, we can. Now we will draw a girl with the letter W. Draw two curved lines for the dress. It's time to draw some diyas and candles. Here we can use A for diya and L for candle. Draw a lamp with eye. So our composition is almost ready. It's time to add background. Draw lines with the help of a ruler for the roof. Add some light and fireworks on the sky. So friends, our Diwali special drawing is completed. You can easily draw this at your home. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe our channel for new exciting art videos. So friends, wish you a very happy and safe Diwali in advance.